Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your UnitedHealthcare insurance. Alright, let's begin. First, you will need to contact UnitedHealthcare customer service. The phone number can vary depending on the type of plan you have, such as Medicare or employer-sponsored plans. Check your insurance card or plan documents for the correct number. Once you reach customer service, ask to speak to a representative and request to cancel your insurance policy. If required, you can also submit a cancellation request in writing. Some UnitedHealthcare plans may necessitate a formal written request. The representative will provide you with the mailing address or email for this purpose. When writing your cancellation letter or email, include your full name, policy number, date of birth, reason for cancellation, and your preferred cancellation date. Next, confirm the effective date of cancellation. Make sure to ask when your cancellation will take effect. Insurance policies are typically cancelled at the end of the billing cycle to prevent gaps in coverage. Additionally, inquire about any potential cancellation fees or if you're eligible for a prorated refund of any unused premiums. After your cancellation is processed, you should receive a confirmation notice via email or mail. Keep this for your records. So that's basically how you can cancel your UnitedHealthcare insurance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.